What's happening, guys? Charles and Chargers back with another video. And today, box number 4, final box of Allure AEW Upper Deck. So we will tear right into this. Looking for some more Kenny and Jamie Hayter for the PC. And see if we can't put together some more of the set. I'll probably end up grabbing a couple blasters from Target at some point. See what all's in those. Alright, let's not waste time. Let's get right into it. So I can get some sleep working on the night shift, so. All right, starting off, Buddy Matthews, Nick Jackson, Nyla Rose, that's cool, MJF, Star Futures, should be the Black Rainbow. Oh, no, it's not, okay. No, I guess it wouldn't be, okay. Just Star Future, all right. Still a good one to get. Luchasaurus, first color flow, the red-orange. My Squad, Private Party. Isaiah Cassidy, Mark Quinn, Brothers A. Then we got Sheeta and JR. Come on, baby, hit me with an auto. Tay Mello, Orange Cassidy, Daniel Garcia, Star Futures. Isaiah Cassidy, that'll be the Black Rainbow, Star Future. This is a good one. The AEW logo, MJF. 54 out of 299. Definitely a good one to get. I like how he's got the Punk shirt on, and on Punk's card, he's got MJF's scarf. Anthony Ogogo. There you go. CM Punk and Dante Martin. Spoke that card right into existence, didn't I? Now, if I could speak of that Jamie Hayter auto into existence, it'd be awesome. All right, Pac, Jericho, Wardlow, Darby Allin, Star Future, Scorpio Sky, Black Rainbow. This is a nice one. The Star Future AEW logo, MJF. 142 out of 299. So it's an MJF numbered hot box here. Jade Cargill and Swerve Strickland. It's quite a few Star Futures already. All right, next. QT Marshall. Rick Knox. Star Futures Hook. That's cool. Black Rainbow Keith Lee. Danhausen Color Flow. Oh, shoot. Okay. Sweet. Got the orange yellow Danhausen Color Flow. Kyle O'Reilly and Hook to finish off. And we got a freaking Keith Lee Red Rainbow auto. I'm very happy with that. I'm a big fan of his. Could have put a little bit more toward the middle of the sticker, but I'm not going to complain. Actually, looking at it, it's kind of cool he put it off to the left because it doesn't cover his logo on his gear. So that's kind of cool. I mean, it's all about Upper Deck sticker placement too, I'm sure, but still. I've liked Keith Lee since him and Shane Taylor came in Ring of Honor a few years ago. Just watch him flying around, and he was just, they're both badasses. So very happy with that. That's cool. That's cool. All right. Then a solid box. Some numbered cards and auto. All right, Luchasaurus. Blade. Another Star Future, Jack Perry. Statlander on the Red Rainbow. Yep. Star Future Red Rainbow, Stat. Title Ambitions, Takeshita. That's the first I've seen of that one. Darby Allin, Ruby Soho, and Andrade. All right, last 3 packs. Anthony Bowens, Scorpio Sky, Keith Lee, Dante Martin, Star Future, the Bunny, Red Rainbow, not with the company anymore. Title Ambition, Christian Cage. He and Edge go next Wednesday for the TNT title in Canada. Jungle Boy and Emi Sakura. I think Christian's going to keep it. I think Nick Wayne's mom's going to cost Edge. He gave Nick Wayne that concerto right in front of his mom, so I think she's going to be pissed for him doing that and cost him. Could be wrong. Just guessing. We'll see. See how it plays out. Athena. Brody King. Him and Eddie Kingston, they had a good match the other night. They beat the piss out of each other. Star Future, Takeshita. Red Velvet on the Orange Slice. Darby Allin, Ice Cream. Rosa, Hater, and Sammy Guevara. All right, last pack of it all. Colton Gunn, Ray Phoenix, Wheeler Yuta, Lee Moriarty, Star Future, Nyla Rose on the Color Flow, the red-orange, Jericho, Title Fights, Absolute Ricky Starks, and Sky Blue to finish off. All right, just a quick recap. Some of the inserts. Bunny Red Rainbow, Stat Star Future Red Rainbow, Danhausen Color Flow. I mixed up some of my piles. That's okay. I'll fix them here in a bit anyway. Tons of Star Futures. The most I've seen in any box. Hook, Darby, Garcia, MJF. Then we got 2 MJF cards, numbered cards. Both AEW logos to $2.99. That Star Future one looks awesome. It's kind of like the black gold, Topps black gold. Reminds me of that. A couple of good ones there. And Keith Lee. It just hit me what we didn't get. We did not get any landscape base cards. We got all the Star Futures, but we didn't get any landscape base cards. That is odd. So, that's the first I've seen a box like that. I mean, I'm not complaining. It obviously turned out pretty decent, so I'm not going to complain about it. Just, that was different. But, all right, guys. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will talk to you later.